all are doing great. So today in this video I'm going to unbox 5th edition Mojo box. If I want to describe this Mojo box edition in one line, I'll say this is the best Mojo box edition ever. So the products are really good. Most of the products are of kitchen related things, and I'm really happy with this Mojo box. So I'll give the link in the description so you can go and check them out. I'm really excited to show this edition. Before we going to start, here is my sincere request. Please go and hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I post on YouTube. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. this Mojo Box edition. This is one of the best Mojo Box edition ever that I have received, and all I want to say is I'll definitely recommend this. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most important thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in a next amazing video. Until then, bye.